Hey. Welcome to my channel. My name is Love Corey. Before we begin, I want you guys to subscribe. So hit the subscribe button below and follow me on Instagram. Okay, so I'm really excited about today's video. I'm going to be doing a look today inspired by Ariana Grande's visual for her new single, 7 Rings. And I absolutely love Ariana Grande, and I love the visual was giving me pink trap house vibes. Like, I just loved it. It was so feminine, so girly, so empowering. Ariana Grande, she's an inspiring woman. She inspires me all the time. So when I saw this video, I was like,
I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
I have my Ariana Grande ponytail right now. Okay, so of course I'm going to start off with a fresh face. I've already moisturized. Using MAC BB cream as a primer for my eyes. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using 2 colors, so a magenta and a shimmery soft pink. And here I'm going to try my best to perfectly cut the crease. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And I'm filling in my brows with the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil. By the way, I'm using Laura Mercier's medium deep translucent powder. And this is how I'm using it. So I'm just putting my sponge into the plate, the cover, I guess you can call it. And I'm just patting, just lightly pat. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I do my wing eyeliner. Ariana Grande, she usually likes a very dramatic wing. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. So I use slow and soft strokes, very tiny, tiny strokes until I can get it perfectly sharp. And now I'm going to use a silver shimmery eyeshadow just to cover right below my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation in the color Sienna. And I'm just using it as a bronzer for my face. But it also works as a good setting powder. And here I'm going to blend all the way into my hairline. Now I'm going to use this Smashbox lip gloss. This lip gloss color is called Pout. And I'm adding a little bit of the shimmery soft pink eyeshadow that I used just to add a little bit of shimmer to the gloss. I'm using a light brown eyebrow gel for the corners of my mouth just to make my lips appear a little bit smaller. So I'm going to use eyelash glue to hold the rhinestone to the side of my face. And as you can see, I put the eyelash glue directly on the rhinestone. And then I placed it softly and carefully onto the side of my face right under the wing. I'm using Nika K Gold highlighter. and a very pink blush. And that completes it for this look inspired by Ariana Grande's video for 7 rings. I absolutely love this look. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below. And follow me on Instagram at YouLoveCorey. Thank you. Bye-bye.